If you want to update all the blank cells, the value of above, you can do it manually. For example, for all this north, I just copy this and paste it here. Likewise for east, I just copy, paste it here. For west, I copy, paste it here. This you can do if the value or if the data is very small. But however, if the data is very big, let's see how we can do it in one go. I'll press Ctrl Z from the keyboard to remove the data. Here now you need to select any cell from this table and then press Ctrl A from the keyboard to select the entire table, and then go to Home tab. Here you see Find and Select. Under this, go to Special. Here you select the blank, click OK. Now you can see all the blank select cells has been selected. Then go to Formula tab, and here is equal to, you select the first cell, and now from the keyboard press Ctrl Enter. Here is the result. Thank you.